Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand for this unit. This is a countertop stylings, the Hotplate, and with 4 burners of the units. So let me give the overall sizes first. The units are about like a 2 feet wide, like a 24 inches. And the overall depth about like a 26 inches. And the height of the unit is about like a 10.5 inches tall. So we can see they do have a 4 burners. So 2 at the front is bigger one and the 2 small one behind. The diameter for the front 2, there will be 9 inches. For the behind, that will be the 7.5 inches. Also, we can see they have a knobs at the front. They give you the power levels and the indicators to show you the machine is running. And they give you the notifies on the stickers to tell you which burner using which switches. And we can turn around to see the behind of the units. As we can see the behind of the units, they come in with the ETL sanitation sticker side on our brands and have the serial number for faster service. And also the important things for the units, they're using the 220 powers, the commercial one. So it's different. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.